ink dissolves. Storms remember what she solved.
Letters bending in the flood, raindrops carving skin and blood. Every word a fading ghost. Love remains where loss is most.
Rain wrote her name on the asphalt black, washed by morning, still